Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. We're taking a look at TrekkSoft, found at TrekkSoft.com, a booking and management software designed specifically for tour and activity operators. If you're in the business of running tours, managing rentals, or organizing activities, TrekkSoft might be a solution worth considering. They offer a suite of tools aimed at streamlining your operations, from booking management and payment processing to customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing automation. One of TrekkSoft's key selling points is its focus on simplifying complex booking processes. They offer various features like online booking widgets, mobile booking capabilities, and integrated payment gateways. This allows customers to easily book and pay for your services online, reducing administrative overhead and improving the customer experience. Furthermore, TrekkSoft's channel management features enable you to distribute your offerings across multiple platforms, expanding your reach and potentially attracting a larger audience. TrekkSoft also provides tools for managing your resources efficiently. You can track availability in real time, schedule staff and equipment, and optimize resource allocation to maximize efficiency. Their CRM functionalities help you maintain strong customer relationships by providing a centralized platform for managing customer data and communications. You can track customer interactions, personalize communications, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. Additionally, TrekkSoft offers marketing automation features to help you promote your business and generate more bookings. You can create targeted email campaigns, automate follow-up communications, and track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. The platform also provides reporting and analytics tools to give you a comprehensive overview of your business performance, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Whether you're running a small local tour operation or a larger multifaceted activity business, TrekkSoft offers a range of features designed to help you manage and grow your enterprise. Be sure to check out the link in the description below.